What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are doing a favorites video. I have not done one of these videos in so long, and honestly I have so many favorite products right now that if I shared all of them with you, we would be here until January 1st. So I really tried to condense it and just focus on the things that I love so dearly right now. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Make sure to hit the bell down there so that you're notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on in to this video. These items are gonna kind of be all over the map. Hair, skin, makeup, body, all of those good things. This product right here has become my favorite drugstore deep conditioning mask, and this is the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask. This is from Not Your Mother's brand, and it works so well. I started using this when I was going through my hair disaster, my protein overload and all of that, and I could not get enough of deep conditioning masks. Now my LUS deep conditioning mask, I talk about that all the time. You guys know that I love that. But this one I've never talked about, and I love this for a drugstore option. I got mine from Ulta. It's incredible. It smells so good. What I love about this mask is that you leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse it out, because I don't always have an extra 20-30 minutes to sit with a mask on my hair. So I like to use this in the shower and then use it at the beginning of my shower and then rinse it out. That way I don't have to take any extra time outside of the shower to mask my hair. So I love this. Highly recommend. Sticking with hair, I do want to mention this. Oh, by the way, quite a few of these products I will have discount codes for, so make sure to take advantage of that if you decide to check out any of these. But this item right here, still one of my favorites. This is the Behairful brush. I love it for really getting super defined curls. I use this after I've put in styling product when I really want that super defined curl look, and it works so good. I also like to dry detangle my hair with this brush as well. This is still one of my all-time favorite brushes for defining your curls. The next item I want to talk about is a foundation product, and this is one that I really do not hear people talk about, and that is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. It improves bare skin in 2 weeks. It is water light, medium coverage, and has a natural radiant finish, and I concur with all of those claims. It gives the most beautiful natural finish. I actually do not have it on today. Today I'm wearing the Clinique Perfecting Foundation. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but that's the one that I'm wearing today. But this one is the one that I reach for day after day after day after day. I've got so many different foundations, and ever since I've picked this one up, it is pretty much all I typically use unless I'm filming and want like a super full coverage. This just gives such a beautiful finish. The next item or items that I want to talk about are these bracelets. Look at these beautiful bracelets. These bracelets are from Sasha company. This is a company that makes handmade glass beaded bracelets, and I am so obsessed. I've literally worn either one or multiples of these bracelets every single day. Each of these bracelets is made by a skilled artisan in Nepal. This company is providing sustainable jobs for artisans, and they focus on gender equality and really empowering women. And they pay these women, these artisans, above minimum wage so that they can actually have an income that they can really live off of. They really help women to rise above poverty through fair trade, and that is something that I think is so important that I wish more companies would follow suit. But all that being said, these bracelets are absolutely stunning. They're so beautiful. The quality of them is amazing, and these would make a perfect gift for friends and family for the holidays. Also wanted to mention that they're an official member of the Feeding America Enterprise Society, and they have donated 1.6 million meals to families in need. So each purchase goes towards feeding someone that's hungry. I just love them. There's so many different styles that you can mix and match. and I'm just obsessed with these. I've literally been wearing them every single day. The next product I want to talk about is one that you guys have heard me talk about so many times, and that is my Irestore hair growth laser device. And I do want to say thank you so much to Irestore for sponsoring this portion of today's video. You guys have heard me talk about this a million times because it works. It's so good. So basically, this is a laser hair device that you use every other day to help with hair thinning, to help with hair loss. If you are going bald in areas, you can use this, and it really helps to wake up those dormant hair cells and makes your hair begin to grow again. I have been using this device for a little bit over 2 years now, I think. It's crazy. They have two different systems. They have the Essential, which is their first one that they came out with. I used that one for about a year, and then they came out with the Pro, and that is their most advanced. It has 282 lasers in it, and here's all the little lasers. So basically, you wear it every other day for about 25 minutes. It does come with a little timer, and it's cordless, so you can just pop it on and walk around your house. I like to wear it when I'm making my coffee in the morning or doing my devotions in the morning. It just makes it super convenient that I'm not hooked up to an outlet. All I can say is that I am living proof that this thing works. I swear by it. I have shared it with any and every friend that has talked to me about hair loss. This is just an amazing, incredible system that I had to mention in my favorites video because it will continue to be one of my favorite items. And this week is Black Friday week for Irestore. They are giving some amazing discounts. I have a discount code below that will save you $400 on the Pro device and $200 on their Essential device. So make sure to head over to their website. I'll have it linked in the description box. Check out their Black Friday deals. If you've had your eye on this is the time to get it so that you can save that extra money. And again, this is just going to continue to be one of my favorite items, and it has been for the last 2 years. It is the holidays, and I don't know if there's anything better than having candles that just fill up your house with these amazing scents of the holidays. And this candle I have fallen in love with. I want to burn it every single day. This is the candle Leaves from Bath & Body. So it has crisp red apple, golden nectar, warm clove spice with essential oils. That is the fragrance notes. And you guys, oh my gosh, this just reminds me of Christmas. Like that scent of apple pie filling up the house. It's just such a cozy fragrance. So I love burning this at night as soon as the sun goes down. Turn on this little candle. It fills the house with this amazing scent, and I just cozy up on my couch with a blanket. If you have not smelled this, definitely go give this a little sniffy sniff in Bath & Body because I think you will love this. It is incredible. All right, going back to hair, I want to talk about a line of products that I have been obsessed with. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram. Please go ahead, give it a little follow. I'm really trying to grow my following over there. But I've mentioned this on my Instagram stories quite a few times. This line has quickly become one of my favorites because it just works for my hair. I've got fine, low density, high porosity curly hair. This line is designed for people that have finer, thinner textured hair, and it gives you that bounce, it gives you that volume. Every single product that I've tried so far, and I think I've tried like 5 or 6, is incredible, but this is the winner out of all the products for me, and this is the whipp volumizing mousse. It gives amazing definition. It gives amazing volume to my hair. I'm going to insert a picture here of my hair with this product. This is like a tried and true. If I want to have a good hair day, I know I can pick this up and I'll have an amazing hair day. And by the way, I do have a code for them that will get you free shipping and handling as well as a free trial size hairspray. This is what I've been using in conjunction with the mousse every single time I have styled with it. And this is the Quick Fix Leave-In Treatment. This helps to detangle, hydrate, and repair the hair. It has sunscreen protection. That's the number one thing, which I absolutely love. It strengthens, moisturizes, repairs, protects, smooths, detangles. It's color safe, fill damage, and it is a curl hydrator. And so I use this when my hair is still soaking wet to kind of detangle my hair before going in with the mousse. And this it just glides right on through my hair, and I'm obsessed with it. So once again, that line is called Helium, and all of their products that I've tried so far are absolutely incredible. Definitely the mousse is my favorite. It is an alcohol-free mousse. It doesn't leave any sticky film on your hair. Everything rinses out with water, and it's just incredible. I have one more hair item that I wanted to mention, and I've mentioned this in previous videos as well. I love using this product on wash days, but I have been loving this product for refresh days. I feel like that is my go-to way of using this now. I put a little bit in my hand, and then I spray water directly in my hand, and then I rub it together so it kind of waters down the product, thins it out really good, and then I'll go over my hair, just kind of smoothing it over my hair that needs to be refreshed. And I am telling you, I get such great results when I do that. There's tons of products that I love from Curlsmith, but this product has been my go-to for refreshing. The next thing I want to mention is this duo right here. And this is the Glossier Brow Flick with the Glossier Boy Brow. I reach for these the most when I'm doing my brows. The Brow Flick, it's a little bit of a learning curve if you've never used a brow pen before, but I'm telling you, once you get the hang of it, it will have your brows looking so much fuller. But mixing this with the Boy Brow is like the best combo. I'm telling you, it's so good. The Boy Brow really holds the brows in place, and on days that I really don't want to do anything to my brows, I've been reaching for just the Boy Brow, and I will put this all through my brow, let it kind of dry for about 10 to 15 seconds. I'll do one more coat, and this is with nothing else in my brow. One more coat, allow it to dry again for 10 to 15 seconds, and then I kind of take my fingers and push my brows up, and it kind of sticks my brow to my skin and makes it look fuller, like a fluffier brow, without having to use a bunch of products in my brows. I wish I had a discount code. I don't, but I love these products. I already have backups in my drawer. They're just so good. I could not do this video without mentioning this product, and that is my Kenzzi. This is an IPL hair removing device. It is so good. I've done a previous video showing you guys exactly how this works. I use this product once a week, every single week. I've literally done my own Brazilian hair removal with this device only. I love it. It works so well. The last area I've been treating is this, I call them werewolf hairs right here on my neck. I would shave, and then I would get like razor bumps, and it was never good. I tried waxing, and it was terrible. It was so itchy and just irritated. So I started treating that area with my Kenzzi, and I am so happy to say that I don't have those tufts of hair anymore. They are gone, you guys. It's pretty much completely gone. I still have maybe like 3 or 4 more weeks to use this. You're supposed to use it once a week for 12 weeks on whatever area you are treating. I always use it at the highest level because I like to get the best results possible. I have a discount code that will save you, I think, $50 on this item. It brings the item to less than $200. Another great holiday gift item. I'm obsessed with it. I literally can't live without it now. My next item is this one right here. This is the Molten Body Glow by Makeup Revolution, and it is stunning. I'm just gonna put this on so that you guys can see. I'm getting some shadows from my window, so you probably won't be able to see that well. I find myself reaching for this constantly. I've tried so many different like body glow products, and I always end up like wasting them. I never end up reaching for them. They're either too thick, or they make my skin feel greasy, or they're too like glittery. It gives my body the most beautiful glow. I believe I saw this on the Ulta website for like $17. I think this is just as pretty, if not prettier, than the Patrick Ta Body Glow, and this is much cheaper. And then last but not least, in the day and age that we live in, everyone has got extra stress. Everyone is super busy, especially right now. There's been so many extra stressors going on in 2020, right? This product has really helped me to be able to get better quality sleep. And this is Juniper Organic CBD drops. I have found that this really helps to relax the mind and body. You can use it in the morning, you can use it during the day, but I have found that for me, it works best when I use it at night, because typically I've got so much going on during the day that when I am ready for bed, it's like my brain doesn't ever want to shut off. It's going a million miles a minute trying to think of the things that I need to do and the things that I might have forgotten to do. So this product for me has really been a godsend at really helping me to just kind of relax my body and mind. It comes in this little dropper right here, and you can get different milligrams. I've actually got the 450 milligram. You take a full dropper and you put it under your tongue, and I hold it under my tongue for about 30 seconds and then I swallow it, and then it just goes to work. This is in the flavor mint, so it has a very light minty flavor. It's very refreshing. Yeah, so they have a 450 milligram, which is their lowest dose. They have a 900 milligram, and then they have a 1,350 milligram dose. So you can kind of choose what dose you want. This product will not get you high. Let me repeat that. This product will not get you high. I think a lot of people are scared of CBD products because they think that they are going to get high from them. That is not the case. And with Juniper, they only use the flower of the plant, which is the most sought after part of the plant. It takes a lot longer to process, but it ensures that you're getting the best quality product that you can possibly get. If you're like me and you struggle with maybe getting decent sleep, good quality sleep, or if you are someone that just has a lot of stress on you during the holiday season, or just in the world that we're living in right now, you have a little extra stress, I highly recommend giving this a try. I love it. Like I said, I've been using it for about a month now, and the longer you use it, the better it works. And I know that was a ton in this video, but I just felt like these are items that I really wanted to touch on because they have been game changers for me, and I love them all so much. If you have any amazing favorite products that I need to get my hands on, leave them in the comments. Let me know what your favorites are right now. And yeah, I think that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.